My name is Kunduz Haidarova, and I'm the founder of B School here in Karakol. First, I worked as an English teacher in one of the schools in Bishkek, and then I decided to open an English school in my hometown, Karakol. We started with just 3 teachers in 2012, and we're still growing. I am a teacher and CEO at the same time. However, I felt I lacked knowledge and business experience, so I participated in AP's acceleration. After the acceleration program, we became more motivated and expanded our English center. It was hard to get a business license. I think this is one of the most important parts because when we opened the educational center, we wanted everything to be legal. We wanted to have a license so that we could issue certificates. Therefore, the legal stage seemed the most difficult to me. I had no experience and needed to learn how to manage this part of the business. My husband supports me very much. Family support plays a big role in success, and our relatives have helped us develop the business. We have students ages 6 and up, mostly teenagers, and we also have adult students. For over 10 years, we have worked out a methodology for teaching English. At first, we taught English according to the Oxford textbooks, then according to Cambridge. Then we came to the conclusion that we needed to develop our own textbooks and manuals. So now we have our own books and an effective methodology, so everyone in Karakol wants to study at B School. High school students want to get a state-recognized certificate, and for this, they have to complete the intermediate level. Each course lasts 2 months, therefore it takes 8 months in total to complete all the courses. We also prepare our students for the Student Exchange Program abroad, FLEX. We have finalists taking part in the program for 1 year of study. Also, many of our students enter foreign universities, so we opened a program to prepare for IELTS. This shows that there are a lot of students who achieve good results and study abroad. We have local teachers with good experience. Today, we also have a teacher from England, a native speaker. We currently have about 10 teachers. After the pandemic, we decided to build our own office because we'd been renting for over 8 years. So we built an office with 4 rooms. We've realized that many people want to study English, and we are already cramped in our English center. After participating in the acceleration, we got the idea of creating a spacious hall. We wanted to build a hall where children could spend their leisure time and participate in our events. Initially, we thought we would just build another building. However, after completing the acceleration, we decided we needed to expand more thoroughly, so we built a 2nd floor instead for a hall and more classrooms. Today we have 8 classrooms. There is a teacher's room and a large hall. From the very beginning, we wanted to develop the education sector, so my husband and I stayed in Karakol. Though we've had the opportunity to leave, like everyone else does, to the United States or Europe to study and work. But to be honest, it is a pity to give up this thing I've been doing for more than 10 years. I would like to develop further and open a private school. I want to teach children in English, attract competent teachers, and develop the educational sector in Karakol. We have an English native speaker that motivates students to learn. All our teachers do their best to inspire students. We try to convey to children the value of education because educated children are the nation's heritage. Education is very important for their future. I am proud to be engaged in educational activities and contribute to children's education in Karakol.